So I thought that was really interesting. And in particular, one virus, the cytomegalovirus, CMV. Did you know like between 50 to 80% of the U.S. population has it, like at least by the time they're like an adult?
Has it permanently or has caught it?
It's a herpes virus, so it's a lifelong thing. And this is why it basically, it changes your immune system.
What are the symptoms of it?
Most people that are healthy don't ever know they have it because there's no symptoms.
Whoa.
Yeah, unless you're immunocompromised. But most people that are healthy, they don't know, that they're infected with it.
Say it again. What is it
The
called?
Cytomegalovirus. It's CMV.
Sounds like something Godzilla fights.
There it is. So what's so interesting, but here's the interesting thing about this virus is that so this is one of the major things. Multiple studies have been looking at, like, just immune variability. And it's like CMV has been identified in multiple studies. And the reason it got me interested is because I was like, almost 80%. I mean, I could have it, right? I could totally have it. And it changes the immune function. It's totally different between young and old. So when you're younger, and if you have it, it actually enhances immune function. So they've done studies where like they have given people influenza vaccine. And oftentimes these vaccine studies are used to kind of test the immune response and like how robust your immune response is, because you're given a vaccine and there's all different types of vaccines, pieces of an antigen or all different types of, ways that you can expose someone to bacteria or virus. But you have a response to it, and the response is, involves your adaptive immunity. You make what's called neutralizing antibodies that, basically eventually bind to the virus and neutralize it, prevent it from entering the cell. So people that have CMV that are young have a really robust response to the vaccine, much better. But older people have the complete opposite, where it's like, deleterious. And the reason for that, scientists think, is because basically this virus, it's stuck with you lifelong, and it kind of reactivates every few years. And like every time it reactivates, it kind of trains your T cells, which are part of your immune system, to become focused on that CMV. And so as you get older, your T cell population becomes more focused on fighting that virus and less so on other viruses that you're exposed to.
But this virus doesn't have any symptoms?